Here's how to send scheduled WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can send scheduled WhatsApp messages on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very simple. Just go ahead and open Shortcuts app. So Shortcuts app is directly used on iPhone devices and it's pre-installed. Just go ahead and search up Shortcuts if you can't find it and open it. And once inside Shortcuts, what you need to do is just press on automation, which is in the bottom. And right over here, just go ahead and press on new automation and then press time of day. Now I just gotta choose time of day. I'm just gonna go for 1, and you can use any other random time, and then make sure it's on daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose your repeat and then press on run immediately, and just press next after that. And right over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on new blank automation and then type in WhatsApp. Here you are. Now just choose WhatsApp and then press send message. Now you just gotta type in the message. I'm just gonna type in this and choose a receipt. So you could choose any receipt you'd like to, and I'm just gonna choose any random, and yeah, just press done and press done again, and here you go. Now you've successfully created a scheduled message for your WhatsApp. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can send scheduled message on WhatsApp on your iPhone device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.